How to use Grabmart. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grabmart. To use Grabmart on your mobile device, first, download the app from your app store if you don't have it already. After opening the app, tap on the Allow Location Access button to enable location tracking. You can change your location if needed. On the home page, you will find 4 sections: Food, Express, Mart, and All. Choose the relevant option based on what you want to get. If you need food, select the Food button. Now tap on the Mart button to access Grabmart. You can easily search for the item you want to order or buy by scrolling down and looking at different stores offering various items. Select the store and item you want to order and add it to your basket. You can see the delivery charges and details about the selected items. Once you've added everything you want to your basket, go to your basket and add your payment method for accurate delivery. Then, tap on the Place Order button. Your item will be delivered to the address you've provided. If you have any coupons, you can use them to get a discount on your order. That's how you can use Grabmart on your mobile device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.